Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to teach you on how you can refund a game on Steam. So first, you need to launch the Steam application, or you can also visit the Steam website. Log into your specific Steam account where you want to refund a game. After that, click on the display name at the top of your page. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Account Details. Now view Purchase History. So select View Purchase History option. Select a game, choose the game that you wish to refund. And in this page, you need to select the game that you wish to refund. Then select I'd like to request a refund. And a new page will load displaying the game being refunded, the refund amount, and where the refund will be issued, usually your Steam wallet, though other options might also be available. You also need to provide a reason for refund. And in the notes box, you can add more specific details about your refund reason. For instance, you could write the game wasn't as enjoyable as expected. And remember that to be eligible for a Steam refund, you generally must have owned the game for less than 14 days and have played it for less than 2 hours. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.